Hey friends, if you wish to change mouse settings on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the procedure is as follows. Search for the word mouse in the Windows search bar and click on mouse settings. Okay. And now we have all the mouse settings here. This one will change the primary mouse button from left to right. This one is used to change the mouse pointer speed and it suddenly becomes very fast. I've tried it. And if you wish to do something about scrolling, you can select one screen at a time or multiple lines at a time. One screen at a time is actually faster. And if you wish to scroll more lines, simply click on this and you'll notice that whenever you try to scroll on let's say a sheet like this one, it's way faster, way faster. Okay, I will reduce the speed a little to make it comfortable. And after that you can scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. Okay, so this means that if I try to hover over this thing, like if it's an inactive window, it's not an active window right now, then it will start scrolling. Then there are a lot of additional mouse settings, especially with the pointers. You can change the pointer style and all, and you can go to pointer options, and this is similar to the options you find here. Okay, you can use pointer trails. This is very interesting. Look, this is what pointer trails looks like. And hide pointer while typing, you know what it means. And automatically move pointer to a default button and so on. So there's a lot that you can do. Okay, and other than this, you can go to accessibility, and under accessibility you can go to mouse, and under mouse you will find a few options like mouse keys, etc., which can also help with a few options. Okay, and let's say that you wish to personalize your pointer. So wait a minute, you will have some options here for the pointer color and all. Okay, I'll show you once again. Under mouse settings, and then you will have these options for mouse pointer. Okay, now you can change the color of your pointer. You can make it yellow. I like yellow. You can increase the size of your mouse pointer and so on. It's also part into accessibility, mouse pointer and touch. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.